Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. We've got a package.
The front door.
Here we go. Oh, that just ruined the video. Oh, I should change that. That's a good video idea. Alright, so we're going to try that again. My front door alarm system kind of stole the thunder on the mod reveal, but then I thought I would have fun with it, so we're going to do take two with opening the door to see what has arrived. So here we go. We got a package from IND.
New mods have arrived for that sweet ass M3.
So that's what that says now. Anyway, let's go check it out.
Jesus, dude. That is fucking strong.
Here we go. I first want to start off this video by wishing everyone well. I hope everyone is safe and staying inside as much as possible during these difficult times, and hopefully we can just all get through this together. With that being said, I'm going to do another unboxing from one of my favorite places, IND, and you can tell that by all the tape around the box. So this is actually going to be two different mods, but there's multiple pieces to this, and I'll explain in just a minute, so let's get to it. It has been a minute since I did an unboxing, but done a bunch of reviews, and I just like getting stuff from IND because their packaging never disappoints. And lots of paper for protection. And there is the classic perfect bubble wrap IND tape. So well protected. All right, this is gonna be a mod that once I get it on the car, which will be another video, I am going to apologize into advance to all F80 and F82 owners, because once you see this, you're not going to unsee it. And I'll explain here, since we open it up. Here we go. Ready? Some type of lint-free cloth here. Still has a fresh paint smell to it. So, if you haven't guessed it yet, these are gloss black grills. I know what you're thinking, wait a minute, pretty much almost everyone has replaced the chrome with the gloss black on the side of their cars. Obviously they come standard in that chrome, but it's very, very, very popular to put the black out. But what people rarely do is, if you go out to your car right now and you check it out, the side grille is a flat black. It's not painted. So you put this nice gloss black against this side vent, which it comes out of, and once you see it, it's gonna drive you nuts. So we are going to replace those with painted gloss black, so the entire side now will be gloss black. So can't wait to put these in. I'm gonna do a video, show you how to do that. Once again, awesome packaging from IND. Just, yeah, you pay a little bit more getting things from them, but their quality is unsurpassed, and their packaging is awesome, their customer service is awesome. All right, let's open it up. So much. It's wrapped so well. This is really going to transform a car, especially if you own a white car or black car. If you have any other color BMW, a green BMW, blue, yellow, gray, red, whatever. It doesn't matter as much for this mod because you already have a pop of color. So you got the carbon fiber theme going on along with gloss black and then your color. So when you introduce the blue and the rondelle, it's not that big of a deal. But when you only have a two-tone theme car going on, like just black with the gloss black or white with gloss black, having that blue there kind of clashes. So we're replacing them with gloss black carbon fiber rondelles. And I'd have to get a better look here to see if this is the front or the trunk. I'm assuming that is the front. So we're gonna replace that. That looks awesome. All right, actually, I'm assuming that this is the trunk, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. But you can see a matching set. So I'm getting rid of the blue. I know it is like classic BMW, and some people say it's a sin. But when I only have a two-tone theme color going on, and then out of nowhere there's blue, it's always just kind of, when I even had my black 135 years ago, I know it's the BMW Rondelle, but I'm just trying to get rid of clashing colors. Like I said, it's not that big of a deal if you have a red car, blue car, gray car, green car, yellow, whatever other color, because you already got some other pop going on, but when you just have a pure white or pure black, these are gonna look so awesome. Last one. I am not gonna say anything again about IND's packaging. So, if you're switching out the front rondelle and the rear rondelle, then you might as well switch out the center cap wheels. And that is what these are. And these are the floating center caps. These are the floating center caps in the gloss black with carbon fiber. Look at that. Oh man. Oh man. That is so cool. That is cool. So my wheels will match the front, my front will match the rear. So that is the box. I want to keep that. So there you go. I know there's been a bunch of other videos on YouTube about the floating wheel caps. I had not seen any in the gloss black with carbon fiber. So this might be a first, but either way, it is super cool. As you know, when the wheels go, they will always remain upright. So that is the purpose of that. At first I was like, it's a little gimmicky, and it really grew on me. It really grew on me fast. And then when I found out that IND you could get in this color, I had to replace them all. I had to do the entire theme and just kind of blend in the two-tone white black theme I got going on here, and that is going to look awesome. So there we go. We got all of our rondelles that we're going to put on the car. I'm really pumped for this. I think it's gonna look really, really clean on the mineral white that I have. And of course, this is gonna look really slick. I forgot to mention that on IND's website, you don't have to just get gloss black. There were actually a list of colors that you could choose from, and I thought about, hey, could I do like mineral white? But I do like the contrast that's there. I just don't like the fact that it's flat black and gloss black right next to each other. So I want to replace that, and those are gonna look really good. Super excited for them. So I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing from stuff. All came from IND, awesome company. Their products are top notch, their customer service is top notch, and of course, if I haven't mentioned already, their packaging is incredible as well. So anyway, I will catch you guys next time. And if you like today's content, give me a thumbs up. I didn't see too many of these things out on the internet already besides the floating caps, but they were just the regular OEM ones, not the carbon fiber gloss black ones. So once again, thank you for tuning in. If you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe, greatly appreciate it. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch you guys next time. See ya.